Hi there. I just want to show you a way to install Eclipse on a Ubuntu machine. We have here Ubuntu 20.10 and many people experience startup problems when they try to install Eclipse. We do this from scratch now, and I hope that things will go well. Let's search for Eclipse first. You see this is a vanilla configuration. So we really start up from scratch. So download here. We save this file. And we open up this folder. And we extract it, of course. And now we have a new directory here. And what often is a problem, people try to install now as root. And I think that in case of Eclipse, this is not the best way to go. For this reason, we install Eclipse in the user directory. In the next step, we change into downloads. Oops. And here we see Eclipse installer is the directory we need. We choose C++. We try to launch. We leave the default here and say that's okay. We create a new project, and now we have to install CMake. Here we are root, you see it here, root at blah blah blah. Okay, we go for the Hello World executable demo project. We see here our default location, that's fine. We finish this. And the first thing we see here is this question mark and two symbols which show problems in the source code. So the first step you should take is this one here. This is very important. We go for Window, Preferences, C++, Build, Environment, and here we create two variables. The first one is lang for language, and the locale we have to enter here is en_us, and the second variable is needed, which is called lc_all, and this goes also under en_us. We apply and close, and we rebuild first. And in the console we can see that everything is working fine. 0 errors, 0 warnings. And what's missing here is the standard lib, of course. Okay. And to show that this really works, so first test and line and line. So new build and run. So you see, in the end, it's a success, and you have a running Eclipse environment. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye.